Easy to redeem, need to redeem at counter. The kid really loved Bird World, and ride in the garden was fun too. Beautiful gardens and heaps of bird encounters. Do go early before your scheduled bird encounter time expires, as there is a safety brief and time slots do get full quickly. On-site cafe is also good. Awesome experience, a must-do when going up to Sunshine Coast. Started off with a stunning drive up to the gardens and bird sanctuary. Wonderful tour and host at the bird aviary, then had so much fun hiring out a buggy and driving around the grounds where we hop off and check out many stunning checkpoints. Make sure to buy a bag of feed for the farm animals to finish the day off. Highly recommend this place to anyone. Lovely day out. Bird World was really great. Very interactive. The gardens are probably more spectacular in the spring/summer months, but still lovely nonetheless. The cafe would be better separated from people paying for entry tickets, and the service was very slow, but the food was nice and also well priced. Cheeky birds, such a fun experience. We had an encounter with a little button thief. So if you're going there, make sure to wear something that doesn't have anything dangling from it. Very good experience to be there, beautiful botanical gardens, lovely parrots and peacocks. Nice place to visit. Enjoyed a lot. Highly recommended. Absolute great place to visit. Highly recommend. Fun for families with kids. Nice if you're not that afraid of birds flying onto you, haha. But overall still fun and a good experience. The view at the Botanic Garden was awesome. It was very different, especially the bird aviary, but the gardens aren't anything to write home about. Beautiful stunning views though. Beautiful gardens with great views. The Bird World Tour was also a unique experience for birds lovers.